Hey guys, I'm just here cleaning my kitchen, and that's where I get little nuggets often. So I was just thinking about how if any of you know anyone that owns property or stuff like rentals, well, sometimes people don't pay their rent and they have to get evicted. Well, some people do a lot of damage to the house when that happens. And so what I wanted, what came to me was about, people treating people bad, and even worse when they are trying to get out of something toxic, whether that be a relationship like a boyfriend, girlfriend, or marriage, or just a friendship in general, or a toxic family member relationship. And people tend to bash and damage things even more in the middle of that when someone is trying to clean up their life. So I just wanted to encourage you and tell you there's always going to be those people that will threaten you and hurt you in the midst of you getting your cleansing in your life, and we can't take them out. We can't. They're going to always be there. But don't let that stop you. Do not let it stop you. Those threats, those people keying cars, or whatever the case. I just pray that you learn your value and to just, learn your worth, and don't let fear keep you in a toxic place in your life. What do you think? What do you think?
Hi.
Yeah, hi. Well, God bless you guys, and I hope this touched someone.